Ganda.
Yung Florence pala at saka Firenze, isa lang pala yan.
Yes. Naku, sa picture.
Walang pinatawad to kahit sa train.
Hairstyle glam.
Ito guys, yung hairdresser namin, nurse na. Maganda pa.
Pretty woman.
Marunong pang mag-makeup, magaling pang magluto, full package na.
Ikaw na talaga?
Thank you, Shil. Arriving in Pisa Centrale.
Papa tayo. Pwede rin dito. Pwede rin doon. Ayan, pareho lang yan. Stiga. Tanong na lang tayo. Bago tayo ba? Ayan, palabas.
Tapos, magsakay daw tayo ng bus papuntang yung Leaning Tower. So guys, we are in Leaning Tower in Pisa, Italy. Papakita ko sa inyo guys, ang ganda. I start at outside. Ang ganda, Bing! Oh my God!
You know, Leaning Tower?
Yes!
Oh, pwede pala.
Ang ganda!
Ang ganda, no?
Italy is the best.
Yeah. I think this
Every city is different,
is
isn't
different.
it?
Yeah,
Venice,
yeah, yeah.
Florence,
Florence,
Pisa, and
this
we're
one.
here in Pisa now.
Pisa,
How
yeah.
to pronounce
Pisa.
Pisa.
Pisa. Uy, you can get in.
God.
You can go upstairs as well. Look.
That!
Oh my God. I can't believe it. Where is Rochelle?
In real life, she's at the entrance.
Is she?
Yes. Ayun yung Leaning Tower. So mamaya, we will take a picture there.
I said every city is different story and different architecture.
Yes,
It's
that's
really
true.
good.
Ang ganda guys. In real life, it's really
Yeah, and
good.
this is
It's really
my
amazing.
It's really good.
Ang ganda. Iba din yung sa Florence,
Yes. Dito lang pala yun eh. Nilakad na lang sana
Ganda,
natin. Malapit
guys.
ito.
Ay, mapagod tayo, Bing.
Oo nga, wag na.
Kasi mamaya mag-Michelangelo pa tayo eh. Susunod na lang yan si Rochelle. Akin na, picturean na kita dyan. Hi guys! Guess where am I?
And someone is tired.
We're on Tower of Pisa, the Leaning Tower.
Jim，然后你进来哦，
This is
你
our
站
extracurricular.
后面一点点，因为我们站前面刚才有，他们就变得很暗。
Nice. Actually, the original talaga ay Florence lang kami. But because it's only 45 minutes to travel in Pisa by train, kaya extra namin ang travel na to. So, ayan guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang famous building ng Pisa. Have you been watch the Romance in Netflix? Ito yung naalala ko. Kondo ng weather, guys. Hindi siya mainit at hindi malamig. So, swerte. Swerte, swerte, swerte. Tada! And tomorrow, we're still staying in Florence, and Monday, Rome naman tayo. So, itotour ko muna kayo dito sa Pisa. Ang ganda. I love Italy na. Ang ganda ng mga architecture dito, guys. Super. Different siya sa Venice and Florence. Iba-iba sila. So that's it for today, guys. Bye.
Diba, sandali lang tayo sa Pisa. Let's go, tama yung sinabi ng una ko. Spend half day. Sabi niya. Isa lang yung talo. Tama yun. Pero nagtigil kayo sa ano? Maganda rin eh. Magandang building. Nakita mo? Oo. Yes?
Ah?
Sa sentral. Konting picture lang.
Giorgini, guarda, sono utilizzati.
Déjà, c'est un drapeau qui n'est pas brûlé.
Sinom ko kayo. Nakasum to sa inyo.
Devo mettere i piedi alla tavola. Non possiamo mettere niente sui mobili, che ti faccio i mobili.